Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Nest brand smart thermostat. Now, you may want to do this if you're having connection issues or it's glitching or it's not working for one reason or another. This is a good way to troubleshoot it. You might also want to do this if you just bought a used one or if you're trying to sell it or if you just want to get a fresh start on all the settings. This will restore all the factory settings to the way it was when it came out of the box. It's real easy, so we're just going to hit the circle to wake it up and we're going to go over to settings. Now, once we get into the settings, we've got to scroll over. We're going to keep going over all the way until we get to the not legal info, the reset button. We're going to select that reset button, and then we're going to go all the way down to the all settings. Hit the circle again to all select it. Scroll down to reset, and you actually have to turn the wheel to confirm it. So you're going to turn the wheel until this entire ring turns blue, and then that will turn into an OK. You can hit the OK button, and then it will go through its factory settings. You have 10 seconds to bail if you don't want to do it, and then it will start doing the factory reset. It will finally turn off. It will come on with the Google logo, and your thermostat will be like it was when it came out of the box.